Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that could enhance the safety and visibility of your vehicles and equipment, the All-Star Truck Parts 3 1/8 rectangular stick-on reflector. We found this product online, and you can check the description below for the link to the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? The All-Star Truck Parts reflector is a universal class A rectangular reflector, specifically designed for use on trailers, trucks, automobiles, mailboxes, boats, SUVs, RVs, and even in industrial settings. With a bright red color, this reflector is all about making sure you're seen and safe on the road or wherever you choose to use it. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this reflector. First off, it's hermetically sealed, which is crucial for preventing moisture from getting inside. This is particularly important because moisture can cloud or damage the reflector over time, diminishing its effectiveness. Each reflector measures 3 1/8 inches long by 1.5 inches wide and is a 1/4 inch thick, making it a compact and practical choice for a variety of applications. Another great feature is the permanent mount with a super strong adhesive backing. This means that installation is a breeze, no tools are required. Just peel off the backing and stick it onto a clean, dry surface. The adhesive is designed to hold up under various weather conditions, ensuring that your reflector stays put even in tough environments. This product meets DOTC2, SA, and FMVSS requirements, which means it's not only effective but also compliant with safety standards. This approval is essential if you're using it on commercial vehicles or in situations where safety regulations must be met. So, who is this reflector suitable for? If you're a truck driver, fleet manager, or even a homeowner looking to enhance the visibility of your mailbox, this product is perfect for you. It's also an excellent choice for recreational vehicle enthusiasts or anyone who regularly tows trailers or boats. Additionally, industrial workers can benefit from using these reflectors in warehouses or construction sites to increase safety and visibility. Practical use cases for the All-Star Truck Parts reflector are numerous. You can place them on the rear of trailers or trucks to ensure they are visible during the night or in low-light conditions. If you're using a boat, applying these reflectors can help in making it more visible on the water. For mailboxes, they can serve as a stylish yet functional addition, ensuring that delivery personnel can spot your mailbox from a distance, especially during dark hours. In summary, the All-Star Truck Parts 3 1/8 rectangular stick-on reflector is a reliable, easy-to-install solution for improving visibility and safety on various vehicles and objects. Its durable design and strong adhesive make it a worthwhile addition for anyone looking to enhance safety. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.